Hey bee friends. Hey, it's James. Alright, so what I'm doing today is I got soopers. Yeah, so frames with they've been extracted. So I'm gonna throw those on top. I've got queen excluders. Got my smoker. There you go. It smells wonderful in there. Snuff, snuff. So we're gonna light that up, and then in case of queen cells, I was gonna capture the queens and make queen right splits, and then use our older super frames, indoor brood frames. It's 4 hives. 2 of those are empty. I think the 2 small ones. So, sorry. Yeah, so that one is empty. Bees, empty. Bees. Obviously, bees cranking over there. Cranking here. This was the weaker one. Doing good. Look at this. Alright. See what I can set up.